Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a public profile on Snapchat. A public profile allows you to showcase your content to a wider audience, making it easier for others to discover and connect with you. Whether you're a content creator or just want to share more with your friends, setting up a public profile is a great way to get started. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your settings. Step 3. Look for the option that says My Public Profile. If you don't see this option, it might be because you're under 18, which is a requirement to create a public profile. Step 4. Tap on Create Public Profile. This will initiate the setup process for your public profile. Step 5. Follow the prompts to add a profile picture, bio, location, and background image. This is your chance to express yourself and give others a sense of who you are. And there you have it. You've successfully created your public profile on Snapchat. Now you can share your snaps with a broader audience and connect with others in the Snapchat community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks.